Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to add debit card to TikTok. First, open TikTok on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once TikTok is open, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. After you are on your profile page, look at the top right corner and tap on the three lines menu. This will open the settings menu. From this menu, find and select the option called Balance. Inside the Balance section, tap on Get Coins. This is where you can buy TikTok coins. You will now see different coin packages available. Select any package you want by tapping on it. After selecting a package, tap on the Recharge button. TikTok will now ask you to choose a payment method. At this step, select the option to add a credit or debit card. If you are using an Android phone, your debit card will be added through Google Play or the Play Store. If you are using an iPhone, your card will be added through the App Store. Follow the on-screen steps and enter your debit card details carefully. Once completed, your card will be saved and can be used to purchase TikTok coins in the future. Now, if you want to withdraw live rewards instead of buying coins, go back to the Balance section. From there, tap on Live Rewards. Inside this section, you will see a withdraw option if you have available rewards. At the moment, I do not have any live rewards or balance, so I cannot withdraw. But once you earn live rewards, you can tap on Withdraw and add your debit card during the withdrawal process. This is how you connect your debit card for receiving payments from TikTok. Thanks for watching.